Hello, this is Bobby Tipton from the Dana Library, and in this video we're going to talk about importing, exporting, copying, and associating reading lists. So here are the keys. First of all, reading lists, Leganto, exist in a proprietary format, .lgn. So when you see a .lgn format, you know that that is a Leganto reading list. And also, reading lists want to talk with your computer, but not with Canvas. It's very confusing because reading list works with Canvas, but it is not part of Canvas. Okay, let's go live and look at some of these things. Let's start with duplicating and associating lists. So let's start with our little ellipsis over here, our little 3 dots that mean more. And we will duplicate this Anthropology 101 list, which you'll notice is associated with my Sandbox course. So let's duplicate the list. And they are now telling me that it was copied to Anthropology 101 1. And here we are in 101 1. So we still have our Anthropology 101. We have now copied it over into something called Anthropology 101 1, which is not yet affiliated with anything. So how do you affiliate it? Well, you manage your course associations and you say, I would like this to be associated with my Sandbox course, and you tell it to associate and close. And now it is affiliated with Sandbox. And then we're going to manage our course associations again. And this time I'd like to associate with my ATS temp Sandbox. And I say associate and close. And notice here, instead of saying Sandbox, it says multiple. And then when you hover over that with your mouse, it tells you which reading list, which course the reading list is associated with. So you can do this ad infinitum. If you have 5 different courses and you want to associate the reading list with them, you certainly can. So that's basically how you copy, you duplicate, and then you associate. Now let's talk about importing and exporting. There might come a time that you would want to make a copy of your reading list and keep it on your personal computer as a kind of backup to what's online, just in case you want to do something with it or move it into another course area or something. Okay, so we're starting with our Anthropology 101 course again, which is now affiliated with Sandbox. And we're going to export that list. And we're going to export that as a .lgn file, which, as you'll remember, is the proprietary Leganto file. Now notice you could also export it for other purposes in other formats. So if you wanted to take it out to Word, to PDF, to Excel, if you wanted to take it out as an RIS file, which is a citation format file, or if you wanted to take it to EndNote, you could do so. But right now, we're going to take it down as an LGN file so that we can then bring it back up. Okay, we're going to save the file. You really can't open it except with Leganto, so reading list. So, okay. Okay, so we have downloaded our file and it is on our personal computer. Now I would like to make a new list. And I want to call it okay, and I'm going to import it. And I want to browse for an LGN file. It is the list 1. I already had one on my machine. This is the second one. We're going to open. And don't close the import, simply create. Oh, I should change this to copy of test list for Leganto. Okay, create. And this is my new copy. And you can see that it is not affiliated with anything. So at this point, but it's exactly the same. It's got the 2 items in it, and you can manage your course associations.